Welcome back to the channel. Today, we're diving deep into one of the most controversial modern car features, the start-stop system. Marketed as a fuel-saving innovation, this system automatically shuts off your engine when the car is idle, like at traffic lights, and restarts it when you press the accelerator or release the brake. Sounds efficient, right? Less idling, less fuel burned, fewer emissions. But here's the hidden truth. While start-stop systems may help the environment and improve fuel economy, they can also slowly harm your engine and related components over time. In this video, we'll break down how start-stop systems work, why manufacturers introduce them, the hidden mechanical and electrical stresses they cause, long-term effects on starter motors, batteries, and internal engine parts, real-world examples of failures, preventive tips to minimize damage. By the end, you'll know exactly why this eco-friendly feature might be costing you more in repairs than it saves in fuel. The start-stop system is designed to reduce unnecessary idling. When your car detects that you're stationary, say, at a red light, it cuts off the engine. As soon as you lift your foot off the brake or press the clutch, the system restarts the engine instantly. This requires a reinforced starter motor capable of thousands of extra cycles, a high-capacity battery designed to handle frequent discharge and recharge, an engine control unit (ECU) that monitors sensors to decide when to stop or restart. The idea is simple: save fuel, reduce emissions, and meet stricter environmental regulations. But the execution introduces new stresses. Starter motor wear. Traditional starter motors are designed for occasional use, maybe a few times per trip. With start-stop, they're activated dozens of times in city driving. This accelerates wear, leading to premature failure. Battery strain. Frequent restarts demand a stronger battery. Even advanced AGM or EFB batteries degrade faster under constant cycling. Replacement costs are higher, and lifespan is shorter. Engine components. Every restart means oil pressure drops momentarily. Without full lubrication, internal components like bearings and pistons experience micro wear. Over years, this adds up to significant damage. Turbocharged engines. In turbo cars, shutting off the engine immediately after hard driving prevents proper cooling. This can shorten turbo lifespan. Start-stop systems rely on a network of sensors, monitoring brake pressure, clutch position, battery charge, and cabin climate. If any sensor malfunctions, the system may misfire, causing rough restarts or stalling. Additionally, constant cycling stresses alternators and voltage regulators. Electronics like infotainment systems, lights, and climate control continue drawing power while the engine is off, further draining the battery. Over years of use, start-stop systems can lead to frequent battery replacements every 2 to 3 years instead of 5. Starter motor failures requiring costly repairs. Reduced engine longevity due to lubrication gaps. Turbocharger damage in performance cars. Annoying driver experience with rough or delayed restarts. While manufacturers claim these systems are reinforced, real-world data shows higher maintenance costs in vehicles with start-stop compared to those without. BMW and Mercedes owners often report premature battery failures linked to start-stop. Ford EcoBoost models have documented turbo issues when start-stop activates after aggressive driving. Taxi fleets in Europe, where start-stop is common, show higher starter motor replacement rates. These examples highlight that while the system works in theory, in practice, it introduces new vulnerabilities. If your car has start-stop, here's how to minimize damage. Disable the system manually when possible, especially in heavy traffic. Allow the engine to warm up before relying on start-stop. Use manufacturer-approved batteries, a GMEFB, for replacements. Avoid aggressive driving before stopping, especially with turbo engines. Regularly service oil and filters to ensure proper lubrication. Check sensors and electrical systems during routine maintenance. Start-stop systems were introduced to meet fuel economy and emission standards, but they come with hidden costs. While they may save a few drops of fuel, the long-term wear on starter motors, batteries, and engine components can outweigh the benefits. For drivers, the key is awareness. Understand how the system works, when to disable it, and how to maintain your vehicle properly. By doing so, you can enjoy the convenience of modern technology without sacrificing engine health. Remember, sometimes the eco-friendly feature isn't as friendly to your wallet or your car's longevity. Governments worldwide have tightened emissions regulations over the past 2 decades. Automakers faced pressure to reduce CO2 output and improve fuel efficiency. Start-stop systems emerged as a relatively inexpensive way to meet these standards without redesigning entire engines. Regulatory push. Europe's strict emissions laws, particularly in urban zones, made start-stop almost mandatory. Marketing appeal. Automakers promoted it as eco-friendly technology, appealing to environmentally conscious buyers. Cost versus benefit. Compared to hybrid systems, start-stop was cheaper to implement, requiring only upgraded starters, batteries, and ECU programming. But while the system helped manufacturers meet fleet averages, the burden of maintenance fell on consumers. Traditional starters were designed for approximately 50,000 cycles over a car's life. Start-stop demands millions. Engineers reinforced gears, bearings, and solenoids, but real-world wear still outpaces expectations. AGM absorbent glass mat and EFB-enhanced flooded battery types were introduced to handle frequent cycling. Yet, even these advanced batteries degrade faster than conventional ones, especially in hot climates. Each restart creates a brief moment where oil pressure hasn't fully circulated. Engineers added low-friction coatings and improved pumps, but micro-wear remains unavoidable. Start-stop can cause noticeable jolts. Automakers added dampers and refined ECU timing, but many drivers still find the system intrusive. Owners reported frequent battery replacements within 2 to 3 years. Starter motors also showed premature wear. Turbocharged models suffered from turbo damage when start-stop activated immediately after spirited driving. Luxury buyers complained about rough restarts. Mercedes later added soft start programming, but mechanical wear persisted. High-mileage taxis revealed the hidden costs. Starter replacements doubled compared to non-start-stop vehicles. Fuel savings from start-stop are modest, often 3 to 10% in city driving. But repair costs can outweigh these savings. Battery replacement, $200, $400 every 2 to 3 years.